Welcome to another edition of Small Talk for You. This morning I wanted to go back to Pharo and take a look at an interesting little feature that you have, Halt Once. Oftentimes in small talk you want to debug something, but the debugging itself is dangerous because of course the system is executing itself and there are parts of the system that halting could give you a cascading series of debug windows, which is not really what you want. Now my example is not like that. I have a little counter class and I put a halt once into my add one method, but it's just an example. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and create an instance and then try to send this message, and there's a couple of different ways of enabling the halt. You can go ahead and tell halt class to enable halt once, or you can go here to system and you'll notice there's enable halt or inspect once. So I'll enable it, and if I pull that up again you will see that now its option is disabled, so I could turn it off if I wanted. And now when I come in here and I create my counter, I'm going to go ahead and create it and I'm going to execute this, do it, and you see it went in here and it halted. Now let's try it again. Counter add 1. And you'll see that it just works. It doesn't halt. So I've only halted the once and gone in. So if I was debugging an interesting part of the system, say, I don't know, Morphic, something where putting a halt in the wrong place could bring my system to a crash, this is what you want to do. Put in a halt once, execute the code, and just go in and debug that particular chain of events instead of having to have the whole system come to a screeching halt around you. So it's a nice little feature, and again, you can enable it and disable it in code like this, or you can go to the system menu here and pull it up there. And that's really about all there is to it. So, until next time, have fun with whatever small talk you're using.